Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sumit and I welcome all of you to bisptrainings.com. This is the Python tutorial for beginners, and in today's tutorial we'll be going to see how to do URL handling in DJango. So in our previous example, in my previous video I have told you, or I explained you, that how to create a new blog, and within this blog we can add a new post within this blog, and that's the post. We can delete it, we can modify it, and if you want to add, we can add a new post within this blog as well. But as you can see here, this interface is for administrator, and I would like to create a new interface, or basically I would like to create a new URL, and that URL will be only for a user, so that URL I can share with my users, and that the users, they can, by using that URL, they can see all the available posts within that particular blog. So in order to do that, I need to create, or I need to configure this application. So let's customize this application. So for this, let's switch to, first of all, that's the application on our desktop. So first of all, I open BISP. You can see that's the blog, that's the new web app, the application which we have created, the blog application, this one. And I click on BISP. Within BISP, we have got settings. So let me check the settings. Blog, contrib site, that is okay. Then I open URL, and within URL, I'm going to add a new URL. So I add a new URL here, URL, and write, comma, include blog.urls, and here I give blog. So once I'm done with this, I'll save it, and we need to create a new URL file within blog as well. So I close it, and I copy this URL. And paste under the blog, because as you can see in this blog, you can see this URL because it's already compiled one. So if in your case you will not see any URL file here, so you need to paste the same file over here, and then you need to open this and customize it. So I open this URL, I remove the existing code, and I remove this as well, and I'm going to write the code here. So what will be the code? So first is include, comma, patterns, admin is enough, and I write from DJango dot views dot generic import list view, then from blog dot models import post. That's the, so within this blog dot models, so we can see in this blog we have models, in this models, and within this model I would like to import this post model over there. So I write here post, and then I write patterns, URL pattern is equal to patterns, and URL are comma list view dot as underscore view comma query set is equal to post dot objects dot all. So this will pull all the records from this post data model, all the records, that whatever records do we have, and then template underscore name is equal to blog.html. So that's the template which will be visible to the user. So two brackets closed. Right. So that's the url.py within blog. Within this blog, that's the url.py. This one, url.py, and I'll save. Now it will look for blog.html. because this block.html will handle all the records which will be returned from that block, from that post data model, and it will display within this on this block.html page. So we need to create this block.html page. So I'm going to create a new folder here. So I have created a new folder here, templates, and within this template folder, I'm going to create two HTML files. So you can see here I have created two HTML files. One is base and one is block. So I open this blog.html, and in this I extend the base.html file. This base.html file, this will work as a template here, and within this block content, then I run a loop to pull the data from that post, from that model. So all the data will store into this list, and we have got title, date, and body, and I display them respectively over here within this HTML page. And in this base.html, we have got this content, simple block, content, and end block. This is used to display the content. So once we're done with this, I'll simply migrate it again, and I simply and sync db once again, run migration. So to migrate, manage.py, migrate, and now we will run it. So I run this server. So now you can see here, for let's test it. So the blog, we have got one blog here, one post here, that is the post, and this is for admin. I mean, this will be the view for administrator. But what about the user? So for user can directly visit blog, and as soon as they visit the blog, they can see the recent post which is made by an administrator. So this is how we can do URL handling in DJango. So that's all in this tutorial. If you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for videos on Python. You can connect to us for a customized training on Python. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.